Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you disconnect your earphone to your Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to disconnect your earphone so you can disconnect, and guys now let's see how to disconnect it in this video guys. I will show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to disconnect. Then guys you can see your Bluetooth setting. So guys tap here. So you can see guys we have connected this Ubone earphone, and guys now we will disconnect. So in right side guys you can see this arrow option. So guys tap here. So guys you can see this unpair option means disconnect. So when you will click on guys your unpair option, then it will disconnect to your phone guys, and we will off it. Then guys you can see this red light. So guys we will off it. So means guys it has disconnected to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to disconnect earphone to our Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So as now we will return guys next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.